Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, we'll learn how to use Hugeicons in a React application. We'll also install the Hugeicons VS Code extension to access and use the icons directly within VS Code. Additionally, we have a Figma design as a reference, which we'll follow throughout the tutorial. Okay, now Jubair will teach you how to do this step by step.
So let's get started with the video. Over here, I already have a React application and Tailwind CSS setup. So we're going to start from here. And for the icons, since we are already decided, we're going to use Hugeicons. So I'll go to the Hugeicons page and we are using React. So I'll go to the packages and select the React package. If I scroll down, I can easily see the installation command. Yeah, this one. So I'll just copy that and install the package. Okay, the package is installed. Now we're going to do one more thing. We'll be using a VS Code extension as well. So I'll go over here and I'll go to developer tools. From here I can see the VS Code extension. We'll use for free. If I go over here, I'll see how to install it. If I scroll down, I can see open VS Code. Go to extension, search Hugeicons, and then just install. Okay, we'll do that. I will go to extension, we'll search for Hugeicons, VS Hugeicons. Yeah, this one. So as you can see, I already installed it. So I'm not going to install that, but you guys have to install this first. And after you install that, you'll see this small icon over here. After the installation, this icon will appear. As you can see, it's mentioned over here. I click on the Hugeicons icon in the activity bar. So I just click on the icon and now I can browse all the icons. I can copy the names, I can import an actual icon from here. So it's very easy to use the extension. So now we don't have to go to the actual website of Hugeicons in order to get the icons. We can get the icons from this extension itself. It's very easy for us. Now we'll start working on the component. We'll take a parent div. In this parent div, we're going to have each of our menu items, and each of the menu items has only one element, which is the icon. So let's copy the icon name from the design. Yeah, this is our first one, which is activity02. Let's copy the icon name and search in our extension. Yeah, this one. We'll just import the component. Directly import the component. You can check on the documentation how to use it. Yeah, this is how you can use it. Copy paste this, change the icon name. So just the one we imported. I think the icon will show. Let's see. Yeah, the icon is showing up. Perfect. What is the size of the icon? 115. Perfect. It's looking good. Now we'll just copy the background color and also add the height and the width of this each one. Yeah, so I added the height and width. We need to do flexbox in order to align the icon in the middle. So let's do that very quickly. Yeah, let's see how it's looking. Yeah, this is how it's looking. We just need to add some border radius. That's all. Perfect. Yeah, it's looking really good. Now I'll just copy paste this multiple times and change the icons and the names. That's it. Let's just update the icons one by one. So this one is, let's copy the icon name and search in our VS Code extension. Import the icon and just change it over here. You see, it's very easy to use the extension. Let's copy the color as well. Let's copy the third one. Let's copy the color and change it. Yeah, all the icons and the colors has been updated. Now let's do some alignment of the menu items. We'll do flex to item center, justify center. Let's add some spacing as well. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking really good. Now we just need to add the text and bring these items in the center of the screen. Yeah, so I have added the text. So let's see how it's looking. So this is how it's looking. Now let's bring the whole thing in the center. So for that, we'll make the whole parent component a flex box. So I made the parent component flex and the whole height is the screen size. So let's see. Yeah, now it's looking really good. We just need to add some spacing. So I added the spacing. So let's see how it's looking right now. Yeah, it's looking perfect. It's looking exactly like the Figma design. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
Thanks a lot for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future tutorials.